Hello, welcome to RG's TV and today's video now. We will solve again another EE board exam problem. Now from the subject electrical transients. Okay, so we have here a coil of 15 Henry inductance and 10 ohms resistance. Okay, so obviously they are connected in series now. So mostly ng ating problem sa transient ay naka-series na. Are suddenly connected to a 20 volts DC source by closing a switch. So, the question is, no, uh, the energy is stored in the magnetic field. Okay, that means, no, dun sa may inductor natin, 2 seconds after the switch is closed. Okay, so hinahanap guys, no, yung energy. So, symbolized by W. Okay, when T is 2. Okay, so ito yung ating circuit diagram dito na meron tayong series ng R and the inductor. Okay. So let's say no by closing a switch na the current no okay sa ating circuit is I. Okay. So dito kasi guys no sa ating problem, 'di ba yung pinapahanap is yung energy stored. Okay? So okay, think of a formula no okay, that can be used no, to solve the energy stored in a magnetic field. No? So, isa lang yan guys. No? Okay? Yung W natin no, is equal to 1 half okay, L I squared. Okay? Given naman guys yung ating inductance. Okay? Which is meron tayong 15 Henry. No? Ang wala na lang guys is yung kuryente natin 20 is okay 2 seconds. Okay? So, 'pag nalimutan niyo kasi guys yung formula dito 'no, okey, babalikan dun sa, usual na method 'no. So 'yan, merong circuit, magke-KVL ka, okey, then you will derive 'no, okey, the formula na from the differential equation. So kailangan alam mo dapat yung VR natin, yung, derive sa R, so that is IR, yung ating BL, then IL di-dt, okey. So medyo matagal 'no, okey. Um, ito na lang 'yan, okey. Ang una mo diyan papansinin or, hahanapin, okey, or kailangan mong malaman is kung siya ba initiation, okey, or yung ano, yung nagdi-discharge siya ng ano, energy, ng nagre-release ng energy, okey. So 'pag suddenly connected, okey, ibig sabihin niyan, okey, this is initiation. Kumbaga yung kuryente guys 'no, sa ating circuit nag-i-increase yan from 0 to its maximum or final value. Tandaan guys 'no, 'pag simple series circuit ng RL yung ating final value yung I, okay, yung I natin, final value is equal to E over R. Okay. Ngayon 'pag alam mo ng yung ating I increasing, okay, ang ating multiplier guys is yung 1 minus E raised to negative something. Okay. So, siyempre 'pag, RL circuit 'no, dapat alam mo yung time constant 'no, okey o yung ano diyan, yung, expression diyan, okey. So, 'di ba nakalagay diyan is, um, L no over R, okey. Ano, baliktad 'no, R over L, okey, T, okey. Ayun 'no. So, that means na yung ating kuryente, okay, at any time I is equal to the final value E over R quantity 1 minus E raised to negative RT over L. Okay? Ayun. Tawag nito. So, pag alam mo na yung equation mo for I, yung formula for I, pwede mo na makuha guys yung I natin when T is 2. Okay? So, okay, at T is equal to 2. Okay, so ano yung magiging current natin? So, I is equal to, yung E natin guys, given 20 volts. Okay, over yung ating R is 10 ohms na. Okay, quantity, 1 minus E raised to negative. Okay, yung R natin is 10. Okay, yung T is 2 over 15. Okay, so ito yung ating I. Okay, So, 'pag kinalki mo 'yan, ang lalabas is 1.47 ampere, okey? So, 'pag meron ka ng kuryente, puwede mo ng ma-solve yung ating energy stored in the magnetic field na. So, that is 1/2 yung ating inductance, 15 Henry, okey? Then yung ating kuryente is 1.47 ampere squared, okey? So, approximately, ano yung ating energy stored? Okey, so this will be 16.2, okey? So, depende kung ano, gaano karami yung ano mo, yung, tawag nito, yung gagamitin mong ano, voltage dito na sa may kuryente mo. So, 1.47 or let's say 1.47, damihan ko na, 228, okey? 1.4728 squared, okey? 0.5 times 15 times 1.4728 squared. Yan, so 16, ayan, 16.2685, okey, 488. So, approximately 'no, 16.3. So, 'pag yung L mo is naka-Henry na, okey, yung I mo is naka-ampere, ang unit ng ano mo, energy stored is naka-joules, okey? Ayan, okey. So, yan yung ating, required na sagot dito, 'di ba? Okay, so yun lang 'no. Okay, so, I hope, nasundan niyo yung ating solution and, ah, and may natutunan kayo, 'no. Okay, so thank you for watching.